Hi, it's Paige. Welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday, and today we'll be making enrichment toys for both cats and dogs. For today's craft, we'll be doing multiple enrichment toys for our pets. So basic items we'll be needing will be some toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, tennis ball, some treats that your favorite dog or cat loves, a hole puncher, some scissors, a knife or X-Acto knife, and an empty soda box. For this first one, we're going to be taking a tennis ball, a knife, and some treats. To start, we're going to take our knife or X-Acto knife and poke a hole into the tennis ball, and be careful, you don't want to cut yourself, and we're going to saw about a 3-inch hole into our tennis ball. You can put both in and do one at a time. So here we have one treat that said tennis ball, and now the dog will have to work to the tennis ball open and to get the treat out. For this next enrichment toy, we're going to make an enrichment toy for our cats. We're going to punch holes into the toilet paper roll, and we'll make sure the holes are large enough for the treats that we'll be putting in the toilet paper roll. So after the holes are punched in, we're going to start by sealing it. You're going to bend in the sides of the toilet paper roll. Next, I'm going to grab some of my cat favorite treats. I'm going to seal at the top. There we have an enrichment toy for our cats. For the next enrichment toy, we're going to do another one for the dogs, and we're going to take some treats. You can use your muffin tin if you have a muffin tin, and you're going to put the treats in different parts of the muffin tin. Not for cats, sorry Sesame, you're going to have to wait. And we're going to take our tennis balls and we're going to cover up the areas that have treats in them. And I'm going to leave a few areas with treats open, that way our dog knows that if they come to this muffin tin, they're going to get some treats, but they got to move the balls around to get the other treats. For this next arrangement toy, we're going to make it for our cats again. And we're going to start by taking toilet paper rolls and gluing them together in the shape of a pyramid with our hot glue. Base together first. And we're going to start gluing toilet paper rolls on top of our pyramid here. Again, we're going to take our cat's favorite treats once we're done gluing it together. We're going to throw some treats in different holes. I'm going to leave a few on the edge just so they know that there's something in there.